In this video, I will guide you step-by-step process of how to delete Facebook page. This is pretty simple. First of all, open your Facebook application and then tap on these 3 lines here. Switch that page you want to delete, like I will delete my Facebook page by the name Haskary US. So I will tap on it, scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy, then tap on Settings, scroll down, and here you will see the option Access and Control. Tap on it. Here you can see deactivation and deletion. Again, tap on it. Now you can deactivate your page or can delete permanent. Currently, we are deleting our page permanently, so I will check delete permanent and then tap on next. It will ask for the reason, just skip it and tap on continue. Here you can save your posts in your archive, download your page information, and transfer your page information. For now, I'm going to deleting my page permanent and don't want to download anything, so I will click on continue. Then it will ask for the Facebook password, enter your password, and press continue. Press continue, press delete page now, and our Facebook page will be deleted successfully. That's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.